Dear students, let's learn today the question answers from the lesson number 3, the mice and the elephants. I hope so you have studied the difficult words. So let's proceed for the question answers. We have the first question. A. Why did everyone leave the palace? Once again I will read for you. Why did everyone leave the palace? Answer. Everyone left the palace because the king grew old and died. Everyone left the palace because the king grew old and died. Once again let us read. Everyone left the palace because the king grew old and died. Who lived in the cracks of the floors? Hundreds of mice. So this is the answer. Answer. Hundreds of mice lived in the cracks of the floors with their sons, grandsons, grandfathers and grandmothers. Once again, hundreds of mice lived in the cracks of the floors with their sons, grandsons, grandfathers and grandmothers. Once again let us read. Hundreds of mice lived in the cracks of the floors with their sons, grandsons, grandfathers and grandmothers. See, who agreed to use another path? The next question is who agreed to use another path? Answer. The herd of elephants agreed to use another path. The herd of elephants agreed to use another path. Let's read once again. The herd of elephants agreed to use another path. Next question. What did the elephants remember? What did the elephants remember? The elephants remembered the old saying, make friends, always make friends, however strong or weak. What did the elephants remember? The elephants remembered the old saying, make friends, always make friends, however strong or weak. Did you understand? So, I hope so you have understand these 4 questions, okay? So, let me explain to you. Why did everyone leave the palace? What was the reason? Why did the people in the palace, they left the palace and went? Why do you think so? So the answer is everyone left the palace because the king grew old and died. What is the reason for that? Why did they leave the palace, children? Because the king who lived in the palace, he grew old, he became old and he died. So they left the palace and went. So we can say everyone left the palace because the king grew old and died. Question B. Who lived in the cracks of the floors? The question is, who lived in the cracks of the floor? So the palace was not there. Only the floors were left. So who lived in the cracks of the floors? Answer, hundreds of mice. Not one or two, hundreds, so many of the mice lived in the cracks of the floors. And with who they lived? They lived with their sons, grandsons, grandfathers and grandmothers. So did you understand? The whole family, the hundreds of mice family lived in the cracks of the floors. Who agreed to use another path? See question, who agreed to use other path? Our answer is herd of elephants agreed to use another path. So who agreed to use another path, children? The herd of elephants. So the elephants came to drink water. With this, elephant king came to drink water with his herd. And what happened when he came to drink water? You know that the elephant stamped the floors and they killed many of the mice. And many of the mice died. Yes or no? They died because the elephants killed them. So what answer we can write? The mice went and requested the elephant, so they agreed to use another path. So who agreed to use another path? Another spelling, okay? This is A-N-O-T-H-E-R, not other path, children. It is another path. Who agreed to use another path? So the herd of elephants agreed to use another path. What did herd means? You understand what is herd? The group of elephants is called as the herd. Not one elephant, the group. So many group of people. How do we say? Even for elephants, what do you say? You don't say group. You should call it as a herd. Herd in the sense many elephants. Okay. Next question D. What did the elephants remember? What did they remember? The elephants remembered the old saying. One old saying they remembered. What saying it was? Make friends. Always make friends. We should make friends and always we should make friends, however strong or weak. This was the old saying they remembered. Let's move to the next question. Why is it good to make friends? Why is it good to make friends? Why do we should have friends? Answer. We can share our joys and sorrows with friends. Let's write a simple answer saying that we should have friends because we can share our joys. Okay, somebody gave you a gift and you are very happy with it. You go and express it to your friend. So like that you can share your joy, and even sorrows also you can share. Okay, you have not done the homework and the teacher scolded you. So you go and share the sorrow. Something happened to you, you fell down, you got hurt, so you're very sad. So like that you can share your joys and sorrows with friends. So children, the homework is please learn and write the question answer. Okay, most of them are not learning the question answer, children. So please do and write question answers. Okay, write one time. So please remember to learn and write the question answers one time. This is your homework. Thank you.